should I lace you up just to watch you run away? Tell me who's getting on my love? Who's getting on my love? Love it when I make you mad, but maybe we just love like that. Yeah, maybe we just love like that.
What is up, my on-time beauties? Welcome back to another video by your girl Letitia Marie. If you are new here and you've never heard of me before, this is a channel called Never Late 28, and it's all about remembering you're never too late to start all over again, begin again, elevate, grow, and become somebody better than whatever you once were before. Now, y'all, I am beyond thrilled and excited to bring you this beautiful sponsored video today coming from Just4Kira. And let me tell you something, if you are a contact girly or even a glasses girly like myself, you know Just4Kira has some of the most beautiful, elegant, extravagant contact lenses to make you feel comfortable and confident in your own skin. While some of us might need that little extra help with our vision, sometimes it's great to add on to your makeup look. The perfect thing to complete it might be some contact lenses. Now, in my case, I actually wear glasses in case y'all didn't know. In some of my older videos, you definitely have seen me wearing them, but we don't even need them no more, because Just4Kira was so kind enough to send us 4 stunning contact lenses, and I cannot wait to try them on for you all. They came in these gorgeous colors, and they allowed me to pick whatever colors I wanted, and in saying that, y'all know your girl got you a coupon code. So if you want 20% off your purchase, use code NEVERLATE and you will get 20% off. Now, there are other stackable options on their site, but again, if you want to support your girl and save you some coin at the same time, use code NEVERLATE for 20% off your purchase. So as you guys can see from our little unboxing, we have 4 beautiful colors like I had mentioned. And again, I love that they were able to actually put my prescription on the outside of the box, and they do come separately as well. So let's say you have 2 different prescriptions in your eyes, very easy for them to package that up for you. Website is super easy to maneuver. All you got to do is click the lenses that you want, and then you go ahead and put your prescription. And mine took literally about 5 days to get here. And another thing that I love about their packaging is they come with the casings for your contact lenses. So again, if you were 2 different things, you can go ahead and separate them from left to right and they won't get mixed up. The only thing, just a gentle reminder, you guys, it does not come with the contact lens solution, so you do have to purchase your own on the side. I live in Canada, so I just ran to Shoppers Drug Mart and grabbed me one. I'll show you guys what it looks like. I just asked the pharmacist what they'd recommend for my eyes. So make sure you grab something that is really, really good, because your contact lenses from Just4Kira can last 1 year, and it's recommended to soak it 8 to 12 hours before wearing them. So it is important to note that you are doing the right method, so you're not only not harming your eyes, but making sure your lenses last you a very long time. Again, we all have different type of eyes, so if you have sensitive eyes, just get what works for you. This one just actually cleans the most. I was definitely sure to grab this one for my contact lenses. We're actually going to unbox this and open the lenses pack together because there's something really cute on the inside of them. One thing I love about their packaging, and y'all, this is my first time wearing contact lenses, just in case y'all didn't know that. I love that they're super easy to put on, because in your casing, in your packaging, and please note it's important to wash your hands before touching your eyes, you actually have the little tweezers, which is very easy to pick them up and take them out. And you actually have this little piece right here where you just pick up your lenses and right in your eye socket, and it's easy to put on. So without further ado, let's jump into this contact lens try on haul. And we're going to be starting off with our beautiful color called Heto Violet. It does come in its already solution right here, but you also need it so it lasts longer. My gorgeous dolls, now our first set of contact lenses are in, and these are the Heto Violet, and isn't she gorge? She's so pretty. Again, and it was super, I want to say it's super easy to put on, because I got nervous, and that's why I recorded it on the side for you all to see, because you can see at first I was struggling, but once I got in it, right into my eye, and perfect from there. Y'all, this is a color Iris actually helped me pick out, and I am obsessed. I think my eyes look gorgeous. It actually completes my whole beat right now. Like, tell me she's not giving. Tell me she's not giving. She looks so good. I love this color. It actually is a blue with a pink in there, as you can see, to create that beautiful violet-y look. And I think it looks wonderful on my skin tone. Now, I am a brown skin girly, so I made this video specifically to help cater to my women with darker skin. And sometimes it's hard for us to find contact lenses that suit our skin tone, because let's face it, we don't want to have just dark brown eyes all the time. We want something a little bit in between, something different here and there. So I wanted to pick a few colors that would complement my skin tone and look just as great on you girls out there as well. So I think that she's giving. She looks so good. Now let's get her out and let's get into our other colors. So we're going to go ahead with our solution that we got from Shoppers Drug Mart, and we're going to go ahead and pour it on the inside here. Just a few drops. And I'm going to use the tweezers to take them out. Y'all, she's giving. Okay, listen to me. Do not sleep. This color right here, Heto Violet, I'm obsessed. When I go to Jamaica, I'm definitely bringing these with me. And for any makeup look, it's gonna complement so, so well. Anyways, let me show y'all how to get these out. And there we go, all out. Our next beautiful contact lenses are going to be the Neela Brown. And first of all, I just love the names they be coming up with. But this Neela Brown is that classic, simple color that any woman needs in her collection of contact lenses, or to just brighten up your face a little bit. I think that she is gorgeous. I love how she brings up my makeup routine already, and my hair and my makeup and everything. It just ties in together perfectly. So if you're looking for something a little bit more subtle, but you still want to bring out your eyes a little bit more in your features, Neela Brown definitely is going to be a color for you. Our next gorgeous color is this Sita Gray. Y'all, this is probably my favorite contact lens so far. She is gorge. I love the gray. It is super bright and vibrant, but around the eye, it's still black. And we have a few little, black creeping in there as well. So it brings out the gray a little bit more on the eyes. It's nothing too scary. It's nothing too crazy, but it looks perfect. It makes it look very foreign. Yeah, and you do know there's a lot of people born in other countries around the world that are our skin complexion. I do have a little more melanin in them, and their eyes are actually this color in a real life. So I feel like this complements me perfectly well. It just goes with my aesthetic wonderfully. So see the gray honeys. Are you guys hearing me clearly? You only need to see the gray in your contact lens collection, or even if you just want to spruce up like your makeup look or anything like that, or if it's your birthday, like you want to be extra on your birthday and be like, bam, bam, wow, bam, that's me. I definitely believe that y'all need this color in your contact lens collection. Like I said, super easy to put it on now. I'm sure you can see my makeup running a little bit in this area here. That's just because I unfortunately got some solution on there, but other than that, she's still eating down, honey. And these contact lenses definitely help with that overall look. Don't forget, use code NEVERLATE to get 20% off your purchase. Let's go on to our final contact lens. All right, my beauties. I know I'm struggling a little bit to put in that last one, but these are our Maria Blue contact lenses. She is gorgeous. She is perfect. She is beautiful. She complements everything I got going on right now. Makes me look like a real dolly, a real Barbie, if I do say so myself. Honestly, when I am going to Jamaica, I definitely am bringing these contact lenses with me because I feel like it's going to bring out all my outfits and make it look gorgeous. Now, dolls, I love how the iris is this gorgeous bright blue color. Now, initially I wanted a different color, but it was out of stock, and I ended up getting these instead, and I'm actually really glad that I ended up switching to these ones because they look gorgeous. Everything fits stunningly on my face. It wasn't that difficult to put on. Again, as you got used to it, as I kept going, it got a little easier as we went. My best suggestion is, if you're not used to contact lenses, maybe put them in first and then do your makeup so you're not risking running anything, because they sit definitely really comfortable in the eyes. So once I put them in, my eyes feel fine. Like, you notice they're not running. Everything looks good. They just... Oh, it's perfect. She's eating down, baby. And if you're used to my channel, you know I love to do hauls on here, lookbooks, and all that fun, glam, glitz, beauty stuff. Even motivation. It's going to give you something good to look at. So if you need a Maria Blue in your life, please run, do not walk. Because once I post this video, I know she's definitely going to get sold out because it just complements everything gorgeously. And in saying that, I think every color that we've gotten so far looks great. Just for Kira, y'all definitely got some money from me just now too, because I definitely need some more colors, like a green or something like that, because I definitely love this. And like I said, they sit very comfortable in the eye. They're not irritating whatsoever. Dolls, you definitely need some contact lenses, especially if you wear a little four eyes like me and you can't see that great. Well, now I can see clearly now, and the blue is bluing. And if you are not new to our channel, you know I call you OTG, which stands for On Time Gang. So alright, my On Time Gang dolls, I hope you all enjoyed today's video with me. I know it's a little bit different than what we are used to on our channel, but I love to bring you guys new and fun hauls. And I definitely am so grateful and forever appreciative for Just4Kira for reaching out and wanting to send us some of their beautiful contact lenses. I definitely will be a permanent customer, because I'm feeling them. Again, I love the little kit that it does come with. Some contact lenses don't come with kits at all, barely instructions. Like when I went to the doctor, they're like, are you interested in any contact lenses? And I was like, maybe. It doesn't come with a little piece to stick it in and take it out. They show you one time with your finger, and child, after that was a struggle. So I've never actually worn any contact lenses that I have purchased in the past, but these, oh yes, permanent customer. I am obsessed. I absolutely love them. So if you love this video just as much as I did, please go ahead and smash that like button so others can enjoy it as well. And if you are not a part of our On Time Gang family, please go ahead and subscribe right now. Turn your post notifications so you don't miss any videos from me. Dolls, have fun shopping on there. Let me know in the comment section down below what are some of your favorite colors of this haul and what do you plan on grabbing for yourself. I will see you all very soon in another video, and I hope you have a blessed rest of your weekend. Bye.